We've got the BLSU Green Archers versus the UE Red Warriors. BLSU needs a big win to keep their Final Four chances alive. Looks like UE will start things off. Here we go! Well, Lino, to Sean Abate, attacking duo, Abate will score! First point for UE, Abadam. Abadam drives, following jumper, misses, rebound by Abate. Abate clears it, he's got the ISO, following two, can't get it through, rebound by Wello. Lino on the move, on the spin, comes up short. Doi Duo from the corner. No money there. Lino for two. Kaboom! 3-0 start for UE. Goliena looking to answer. Bam! Here's Wello. Guarded by Earl. Lino, fade away, no good. Cleared by Duo, Doi spins using his left hand. Wello gets the screen. And a turnover for UE. Here's Abadam, sends it to Duo. Duo steps back for two. Bam! 1 point lead, John Wade. No response. Goliena, Abadam swings it. Duo. The emergency pass, Abadam for two. 1 point lead for the Green Archers. Wello steps back again. And he will take 2 free throws. Not the line, Lino. Smooth on the first, tied at 4. Wello misses the second, still tied. Here's Doi. Duo the Hezzy. JC. Can't get it through. Duo all day, bottoms! Nassar with a 2-point lead. John Abate gets the switch. Abate steps back. Inside and out for Abate. Doi thought about it. Wide right, rebound by Abate. Ball is cleared. Takes Makalalag. JC winning that battle. JC Makalalag spinning and kicking. Abadam. Bam! BLSU is hot to start. Lino. And that's a foul on the Green Archers. Here we go, 3 minutes gone by, 4-point lead for the Green Archers. Jimenez, banging bodies, banks it home. Gets the lead down to 3. Here's EJ, to Abadam. Doi, driving. Blocked by 30, Malaga, coming from the weak side. 30 now has the leather. Attacking Duo, spinning. 2 seconds to shoot. Overcooks. Duo Duo, catch and shoot, connects! What a start for the LSU. Apueto, Lingo. Will shoot 2 more free throws. Two free throws for number 7, Lingo. This is the first. Knocks down the second. So down by 4, the Red Warriors. Duo. Looking for JC. And won't get the bounce. UE ball. John Bay to 30 Malaga. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Let's see what Abate does here. John Bay. 1-1 versus EJ. Abate misfires. Abadam on the clear out. Ball is with JC. Makalalag. Looking to dance. Makalalag. Ball fake. Scoops it up and in. 30 Malaga goes all the way. Abadam charging baseline. Abadam will shoot 1 free throw. Abadam. 5-point lead for the boys in white. Well, good defense by JC. Shot clock down to 4. John Abate says, see you later. EJ rises up for 2. Bang, bang. Malaga open lane. No connection there though. Abadam. Basket in the foul for Abadam. Shooting a bonus free throw, we've got Abadam. 7-point lead for LaSalle. Eight-point lead. Wello. Inside out. Doi. Against Jimenez. 5 seconds. Kicks it out. Makalalag. To beat the buzzer. Rebound by Abate. Ligo. Bang. Wello. Still on fire. All tournament long. Here comes Abadam. What will he do? What will he do? Too long on the 2. Doi with the clean up. Duo, another 2. Can't deliver a foul on DLSU. That's their 14th foul. John Abate, stolen by Duo. Doi. Cash money! 2 points away. Ball was not cleared. 2 points away for LaSalle. Here comes Duo. Slipping, Goliena. White ball, shot clock at 5. Duo, 3 seconds, step back, 1-pointer, money. Doy kicks Golero for the win. Not quite yet. As Lino fire for two. And a turnover for DLSU. Timeout, Green Archers. Wello for two. And Malaga is bucket. 1 point away from the Green Archers. Amadam, two-man game. Earl for the win. Package delivered. And that does it. DLSU winning our last game today. Another great game for your AP